Hello dear subscribers and viewers of my channel. Today we take a look at the Acura Cl. Enjoy watching everyone and be sure to watch the video to the end so as not to miss the most important thing. Acura SL-is a 2-door 4-seater car with a coupe body, which belongs to the executive class and is produced by the North American branch of Honda. It is believed that the CL model was simply a substitute for the Acura Legend model. The SL model debuted in 1997 and belonged to the first generation. The second generation was more modernized and entered the market in 2001. Second generation cars can easily compete with Volvo, Saab, BMW, and Mercedes-Benz. The driving performance of the car is at a fairly high level. The car is equipped with a rigid, well-adjusted suspension, which allows the car to maintain stability during sharp turns and absorb almost all the roughness of the road surface. The Acura is equipped with ventilated discs in the front and disc brakes in the rear. While driving, there is a slight level of aerodynamic noise in the cabin. Interior inside, the Acura Cl is very comfortable and cozy. The interior is designed for 4 people, who can comfortably fit in comfortable bucket-shaped leather seats. The driver's seat has an 8-position adjustment. The instrument panel is easy to use and equipped with additional illumination. In the sports version S, the control panel is decorated with metal inserts. Models with a black interior are now decorated with titanium inserts on the doors and center console, while standard equipment is decorated with wooden inserts. The standard interior equipment includes a Bose stereo system with 6 speakers, automatic climate control, heated front seats, a multifunctional 6-inch display of the navigation system. Exterior of Acura is influenced by classic European cars Gran Turismo 1950-1960, as well as models of sports cars NSX and Dobledo or Acura Legend. The car attracts the eye with its elongated sculptural hood, shortened rear end, low roof, and triangular tail lights. The front of the car is decorated with elongated headlamps and a pentagonal radiator grille, reminiscent of the TL sedan or Honda Accord. A more aggressive air intake is installed at the bottom of the bumper. In fact, we can say that basically the Acura looks like most of its predecessors, and several restyling gave it a slightly aggressive VE look. The car is equipped with 16-inch wheels. The dimensions of the car are equal length 4877 mm, width 1793 mm, height 1410 mm, wheelbase 2715 mm. Basic configuration. Standard equipment of the Acura Cl is quite rich and includes air conditioning, cruise control, tachometer, leather braid steering wheel, control buttons on the steering wheel, radio, cassette player, CD change, electric driver's seat adjustment, heated front seats, leather interior, cargo bindings, cargo net, electric sunroof and manual hatch, central locking, anti-theft system, anti-lock braking system, slip system, driver's airbag, and front passenger airbag, electric windows, emergency opening of the trunk from the inside, remote opening and closing of doors, automatic headlight corrector, xenon heat daylights, front spoiler, alloy wheels, and heated mirrors. Under the hood, 2003 Acura SL comes standard with a 3.2-liter 6-cylinder engine that produces 225 horsepower. Such a motor is considered quite strong, since it is able to accelerate the car from 0 to 100 km/h in less than 8 seconds. The standard 5-speed automatic transmission directs power to the front wheels. This gearbox is easy to use because it is placed directly close to the driver and can be easily switched. For particularly demanding drivers, there is an opportunity to improve the car's powertrain by equipping it with a 2-stage intake system that increases the engine's power to 260 horsepower. A 6-speed manual transmission is also available as an option.